The arrival of the day-old chicks is a precisely choreographed operation, essential to the success of the modern industrial farm.
The batch is adapting well. Good, let's keep monitoring them.
Feed looks good here. Yep, they're eating well tonight. The activity levels look good.
Yeah, they seem healthy and alert.
I'll just check this feeder tube.
Temperature is a degree low. Adjust ventilation. Copy that, manager.
The pressure looks good here. Let's check the flow on the next section. The flock is developing well, but let's check the water temperature. Right away, doctor. The health and growth are exceptional. Yes, the numbers are looking very strong this week. Okay, weight is stable at 1.8 kilograms. Noted. Move to the next one. Actual. The growth is exceptional this cycle. Yes, the feed conversion rate indicates excellent development. We should adjust the ventilation. The growth is impressive, sir. Excellent. Keep monitoring the feed intake. .36 recorded. Let's try that one next. Affirmative. The flock looks excellent, almost ready. Yes, they've hit all the growth targets. The weights are spot on. Good. Good. Let's record it. Feed efficiency is up, but water intake is slightly down. Noted. We'll adjust the system calibration right away.
The flock's intake looks promising for harvest.
Agreed. Let's log these metrics.
Looks like everything's in order, Bob.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're ready. Perfect timing. All right, let's get those crates ready for loading. Roger that. Checking them now. Ensure they are clean and secure for transport. Checklist looks good. We can start harvesting. Understood. Understood. I'll begin on the left. Keep the lines moving. We need to load this shipment. Stacks 5 high. Watch the hydraulics. Almost finished with this run. Just a few more rows inside.
Keep them moving gently. Watch your hands. Stack them neatly.
The crates are ready.
Excellent.
Excellent. Let's start the transport procedures. Pallet secured. Heading in. Watch your left, character A. Almost done. Secure that back row. Safe travels.
Heading out.
Heading out. See you soon.